In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday Workdocs. Think of Workdocs as a flexible canvas inside your workspace where ideas, plans, and live project context come together. By the end, you'll know how to create a new doc, give it a clear title, and add rich content that keeps everyone aligned and informed. To get started, open your workspace and look for the option to create a new document. Click New Workdoc. A fresh blank page will open, ready for you to shape. Before you type anything, give your doc a meaningful title. Choose something short and descriptive so teammates can instantly recognize its purpose, like a meeting agenda, a project brief, or a planning hub. Clear titles make searching and organizing easier later on. Now it's time to add content. Click into the page and start typing your text. Use headings to create a clear structure from the top down. A main heading can introduce the purpose, while subheadings break content into sections, such as goals, tasks, and timelines. This hierarchy makes the document easy to scan and helps collaborators find what they need quickly. When listing action items or key points, switch to bullet points to keep things tidy and readable. For information that benefits from structure, insert a table. Tables are perfect for comparing options, noting deadlines, or tracking responsibilities in a compact format. If you're explaining a process or showing an example, drop in an image or a screenshot. Visuals can turn a complex idea into something instantly understandable. You can also add links to relevant resources, such as documentation, external files, or reference materials, so readers can dive deeper without hunting around. One of the most powerful features in Workdocs is the ability to embed live content. You can embed boards, items, or charts directly in the document so your notes and your data stay in sync. For example, you might place a project board right below your planning notes, or include a single item to highlight a key deliverable, or add a chart to visualize progress. Because these embeds are live, updates on the board or chart are reflected in the doc, keeping everyone up to date without extra work. As you build, keep formatting consistent and concise, and break long sections into smaller chunks. Workdocs auto-saves as you go, so you can focus on content, not on saving. That's it. Create a Workdoc, give it a strong title, and enrich it with text, structure, visuals, links, and live embeds for a clear, dynamic source of truth.